In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zendesk API Token. An API token is a secure key that lets trusted tools and integrations communicate with your Zendesk account without exposing your password. It's ideal for automations, custom apps, and third-party services. You'll need administrator permissions to create one, and it's important to store it safely once generated. Start by signing into your Zendesk account and opening the Admin Center. This is where you manage settings for your instance, including channels, security, and integrations. If you're in the main dashboard, look for the admin icon or link that takes you into the centralized admin area. Once you're in the admin center, head to Apps and Integrations. This section houses everything related to building connections between Zendesk and other tools. It's the right place to manage app installations, webhooks, and your API access. If your organization has strict permissions, some items might be hidden based on your role, so make sure you're working from an admin profile. Within Apps and Integrations, find the area labeled APIs and then open API Tokens. This page lists any tokens that already exist for your account. It's a good place to review who created them, add descriptions, and revoke tokens that are no longer needed. Keeping this list tidy helps maintain security and makes audits simpler. To create a new token, click Add API Token. You'll be prompted to provide basic details so you can identify the token later. Use a clear, descriptive name that reflects how the token will be used, such as the system or integration it belongs to. Good naming avoids confusion when you come back to manage tokens in the future. Now configure and save the token to generate it. Remember, the full token value typically appears only once, immediately after saving. Copy it right away and store it in a secure place, like a company-approved secrets manager or password manager. Avoid sharing the token in chats, emails, or documentation that isn't encrypted. If you ever suspect a token has been exposed, revoke it from the API tokens list and create a new one. As a best practice, create separate tokens for separate systems so you can retire one integration without disrupting others. That's it. You've created a Zendesk API token that your integrations can use for authenticator requests. Keep it safe, review tokens periodically, and remove any that are no longer in use to keep your environment secure. Thanks for watching and happy building.